it's Mersky and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, may pa-vintage ganap ako dyan sa aking buhok. So I will be creating a vintage makeup look. So disclaimer again, I'm not a professional makeup artist. This is how I create my own version of the vintage makeup look. So without further ado, let's proceed with the video. Alright, so as you can see, pinagpapawisan lang ako kasi mainit talaga. Sobrang ang init ng Pilipinas, bes. Alam mo ba yun? Alam mo ba yun? Kaya nagpapawis ako. But nagkilay lang ako and then nag-foundation. Tapos ako mag-foundation. So, ang actually gagawin ko lang ngayon is mag-wing liner tsaka mag-red lipstick. For me, this is actually my own interpretation of what is vintage look. Okay? So, dami kong hanash. Let's proceed. Payot. Iinit talaga. Huh. Ano pa naman? Kasi yung electric fan ko maingay yan eh. Ayan o. Nagpapawis. Ingay yan. Anyways. So, proceed tayo. Wait lang. Init talaga. Kutik. Alam niyo ba guys, ngayon lang ako nagkalakas loob na maglagay ng liner, liquid eyeliner sa aking mata in front of the camera kasi alam niyo, yung matang yan, nako, hindi pantay yan. So okay, let's bear with the electric fan and hindi pantay. Okay, so ayan na po yung pinakapantay na magagawa ko po sa aking eyeliner. Wait lang, babalik ako. Sana tubuan yung lower lash line ko, no? Wala talaga. Nating ipilit. Hindi ko na. Ipilit. Sasaktan lang tayo. Damihan natin yung blush. Kita niyo ba yan guys? Pulang-pula na yung pisngi ko. Kasi yung vintage look, talagang para sa akin, no? Yung talagang winged liner lang talaga. Tsaka yung red lipstick ang panalo. Tsaka yung hairstyle natin. Yun. And let us not forget, I'm using this Wet n Wild Fergie. Yun. Yeah, for the final look is your red lipstick. No, not this shade. Okay. So, yan na yung final look natin. Wait lang. Try nating umaura. Alright, so this is what I came up with my final look. So, ayan. As I have mentioned, yung vintage look na gusto ko is yung talagang pakak na eyeliner at bold red lipstick. But I chose just a subtle red lipstick today because parang gusto kong parang oldie style ng. Alright, so this is the final. Alright, so this is the final look. So It's just very simple. Talagang ginalingan ko lang yung eyeliner ko. Tsaka nag-red lipsticks lang. Nag-red lipstick lang ako, tsaka nag-blush on. So, if you like this video, just click like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and share. Alright, so just comment, like, subscribe, and share the video if you like. Thanks for watching. Ciao!